Here we are getting ready for the first cut on our homemade Alaskan sawmill.
There's a long-nosed Peterbilt rolling through the night. Look like a jukebox, all of them lights. Red and yellow, blue and green. Dreamcatcher hanging in a time machine.
Show it. This is our first board.
So mama, take a wheel at the big iron rock. Straddle that saddle in the old jukebox. Hear them guitars moaning low. I'll tell you riding on the radio, cutting the wind on eagle's wing. Dreamcatcher hanging in a time machine.
Look at that. About 70 more cuts to go.
You ride the elliptical bitch of verse. You find old Hank got there first, waving his hat at the top of that ride. You better check with him before you climb inside. Cutting the wind on eagle